Bulldozer is way down there. We should follow. Oh, stupid. Okay. My stupidest idea. Okay. We are following the bulldozer down the street. And it's coming towards us. Run! Okay. It's moving the snow. And eventually, I'm gonna have to run because it's almost done. And then it's on the top of the street. Andover Society thingy. Hey, look. It's coming towards us. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. 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 It's coming towards us. Towards us. Closer. Actually, I'm walking forward. So, yeah. I think we'll stop here. Man, damn it, that's cold. Run! Run like the wind. I don't know. You can see it. It's getting closer with the stupid car right next to it. I have another 10-minute video that was retarded. But it's also about this. Sorry. We have been getting closer to we were down there like a minute ago. And now we're way up here. And there's a house. And he's bulldozing in the house, and that's the cemetery. And then that's water, and that's ice that I'm walking on. And I'm videotaping it, and I'm gonna have to move. I think I'm gonna move and back up because he's coming back down the street in a minute. Or not. This will look like he was. He turned it right towards me, turned, then turned again. So, yes. And, anyone wanna watch a bulldozer? Oh, and there's a limo rental down there. It's called Karate Kung Fu. And there's a limo for sale down there. It's not even a good limo. And yeah. It's been down there for a couple of years now. And in this video, I might even show you the rest of my street. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know, I just have a piece of his tracks left in the snow. Doesn't really affect the video much. All you see is this thing flapping. Oh wait, he's coming towards us. Oh wait, now I see him. Oh, that's him. He looks shadowy. I don't know, it might just be my pod, but, I don't know. Hey, there's snow in my pocket. Where's the snow in my pocket? There's snow in my pocket. Look, there's a bulldozer. Hey look, it's dumping snow there. Hey look, it possibly will be coming towards us. Hi. Oh, he's coming this way. I should move. I'm not stupid enough to stand there. We were just over there. Yeah, we actually were. Huh, now he's coming again. So I'll move back again. And he's gonna do this whole thing down, like he just did this whole slide. Seems like a lot of work. And like a 25-minute video. that skill. Oh, look, he's coming towards me. Pushing this ice over here. I stepped on it. I don't know. I'm just walking backwards. Oh, now he's going backwards. What the heck? This is gonna be a long video if he keeps doing what he's doing. No names will be in this. Oh, and guys, you should check out my Trade Nations video. My Trade Nations video just tells you about everything. If you have Trade Nations for the iPod Touch, iPad, or iPhone. You should really check that out. It's a free app. Trade Nations Carnival, but you just put in Trade Nations. You make your account. It's actually very fun and addicting. And yeah, I should have a video on that soon. You should check it out, see if it's anything you'd like. But now let's get back to the Bulldozer. Now he's going all the way down the street. I don't feel like following him. Well, that's the end of my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and have a nice